Hey, so if you're trying to download Dia Browser but don't know where to start, or you're confused about installation steps, yeah, I'll show you everything step by step in this guide. First, open your current browser and go to the official Dia Browser website. Always make sure you download from the official source to avoid fake or unsafe files. Now select your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux, depending on your device. Click the download button and wait for the installer file to finish downloading. Once downloaded, open the installer file from your Downloads folder. Follow the installation instructions on screen. Accept terms and choose installation location if needed. Wait for the installation to complete, then click Finish. Now open Dia Browser and set it up for first use. And yeah, that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Dia Browser on your device.